Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So these are what we are going to be needing for this deep condition. First of all, we're going to melt my shea butter. Here is my hot water inside that bowl. I'm going to put the shea butter in there to sit and melt. So I'll be keeping that aside. So in my empty bowl, I will be adding in 1 cup of coconut milk, and half cup of my conditioner. You can use any conditioner of your choice. Any conditioner that you are using, you can use it for this. I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of Jamaican castor oil. So now I will be adding few drops of eucalyptus. And now I will be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use coconut oil instead of olive oil. Now I will just mix everything together. Make sure to mix it well so the oil won't separate from the rest. If you have a mixer, you can use a mixer to mix this, or you can also use a blender to mix it. So you mix everything together because of the oil, so the oil won't be separated. So now my shea butter has melted. I will just add my shea butter into the mixture and continue mixing to mix everything together properly. So this is the hair I had since yesterday, so I will just take it out. So I'm just trying to detangle the hair so it will be easy for me to apply in the product. So now we'll just start with the applying process. I later use the blender to blend it so it will be smooth. So if you don't have mixer, you can use the blender so it will be smooth. Everything will mix together with the oil and everything. I found that I didn't lose the twist well, so I'm just doing that now. comb it. So yeah, this is my hair after applying everything. I'm just going to cover it with my shower cap and leave it for 45 minutes. After then, I wash it out and style it. So I've washed it out, and this is the potato style I will be leaving it on. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new in my channel, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If we live in the spirit, let us also walk in the spirit. Galatians 5:25.